All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still going over our vector databases module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we kept it light with some light reading and some light note taking. I'll explain exactly why it was light in a second, but first let's go over what we went over. So let me go up and start with the light reading. So this is an encoded version of our first sentence, which we created using the one hard encoder. You remember last night I showed you what the one hard encoder looked like. Now we would use this word to vec example to explain embeddings. So let's say we have some text data, like I showed you earlier. From that text data, we would create a vocabulary. And when we're talking about the embedding, we are going to create some features. So we'll follow these steps. First, we're going to create our vocabulary, and then we're going to create our features from the vocabulary. Now, this is an example of what the feature and the vocabulary look like. So this is our example vocabulary. So we have king, queen, man, woman, lion. Now, from this vocabulary, we can extract our features. This is our feature list. So we're going to have gender, wealth, power, weight, and speak. Now, this vocabulary and its features will be handled by the neural network. And the vocabulary will get passed into the neural network, and the neural network will automatically look into the features. Now, we kept it light, like I said, because if you recall earlier, we were having a problem with our installs. Let me go and show you what that looks like. As you can see here, none of our imports are lit up now. That's because I actually went through and uninstalled every import that I had. It was over 500 of them. Took about 2.5 hours to actually go through everything. Let me show you my pip list now. So this is what we have in our pip list. All we have is pip inside there. I installed every one of those imports. I actually uninstalled VS Code and installed it back again. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know why I have 500 imports to begin with. It was a bunch of imports accumulated over the last 2 years of different projects I've done and different things I did along the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install these one by one as I need them. I'm not going to keep a whole bunch on there at once. So hopefully that helps us out with the situation we were having earlier with our imports conflicting each other. Other than that, I don't know exactly what I would be able to do inside this module if I don't get that to work doing that. So yeah, like I said, it was over 500 installs that we had to uninstall, and I'm just gonna install the ones we need as we go. So I'll start on these tomorrow morning. I'm just gonna install these for this particular course, and then we'll go from there. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.